how to get more storage on Google One 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get more storage on your Google account using Google One. If your storage is full and you can't upload files, send emails, or back up photos, this method will help you quickly increase your cloud storage. Let's get started. First, open the Google One app on your phone. Once the app opens, make sure you're signed in with the Google account that needs more storage. On the main screen, you'll see your current storage usage. Now, tap on the option that says Upgrade Storage or Get More Storage. Here, you'll see different storage plans available. For example, you can upgrade to 100 GB plan, 200 GB plan, 2 TB plan. Google offers multiple plans depending on how much storage you need for Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Select the plan you want, then tap Subscribe. After that, confirm your payment method, such as a debit card, credit card, or your Google Play payment option. Once the payment is confirmed, your storage will be upgraded immediately, and you'll have more space for photos, videos, emails, and files. You can also manage or upgrade your storage anytime through the Google Play Store by going to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, then Google One. And that's it. That's how you can get more storage on Google One quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.